in this time of extremely low load prevailing in most industrial units, there is a temptation by most managements either to underpay the employees or to undercut the employees or do such things which from case to case may be different in different situations. One important change what we have done in our style of working is that our company is a process based company in which all people are very important to us, and we really can't let the team get diluted only because of factors which are not directly related to them. So what we have decided is that instead of working 6 days in a week, we have for the month of May started to work 4 days in a week, in which we work first 2 days, Mondays and Tuesdays, then we have Wednesday as off day, and then we work again on Thursdays and Fridays, and then Saturday, Sunday is off day. By doing so, not only the confidence of the boys remain at a good level, but similarly the momentum of the company is not lost. Somehow there was not much business to do in this month, so we still did a few things here and there which were non-routine things. But for the next month, what we have decided is that we will work 5 days in a month, but still follow something similar. That we'll first work 3 days, then maybe Thursday would be off, and then we'll work again 2 days, and then we'll have Sunday as off. I still believe that having staggered off instead of two consecutive offs are keeping the momentum of the company a little bit better than having a complete breakdown at the end of 2 days, that is Saturdays and Sundays. So this is again a good management practice what we feel is found useful by us, that instead of having two consecutive offs, it is better to have two offs which are split between Sunday and some other day. So this is one improvisation of our management, and I hope some of you may like to really follow it and try to really see to it that the momentum of your respective companies is maintained, if at all it is possible to do the way we are doing it. God bless.